Hello students, in last session the exercise number 4.3 up to the question number 7 is completed. Now we see the next question number 8 from our exercise 4.3 textbook. Exercise 4.3 question number 8. The 8th number is the most important. Again, 9th number is also important. See the 8th number first. A train travels 360 km at uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of train. We would like to find the speed of train. First of all, we have to assume that speed of train is x km per hour. Let us take speed of train is x kilometer per hour. A train travels a distance of 360 km at uniform speed, as well as the speed had been 5 km per hour more when the speed is 5 km per hour more than the new speed is equals to x plus 5 km per hour. At uniform speed and at new speed, the train travels distance of 360 km. Now we find time for both. Time taken by train to travel 360 km distance at x km per hour is, suppose t1 is equals to, as we know the speed is equals to distance upon time, then time is equals to distance upon speed, where the distance is 360 km and upon speed is x, time is hour, it is t1. The same way, time taken by train to travel, again same distance, 360 km distance at x plus 5 km per hour, means at new speed is t2 is equals to, again speed is equals to distance upon time and time is equals to distance upon speed, where distance is 360 and the speed is x plus 5, the time which is hour. Now according to the given condition, the condition says that if the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. So that we have to subtract t1 t2 or t2 t1. As we know, numerators are equal, x and x plus 5, where x plus 5 is greater, then answer of division is smaller than 360 upon x. It is smaller than x plus 5, then t1 is a greater. t1 minus t2 is equals to, the time is 1 hour less, means is equals to 1. That's why where t1 is equals to 360 upon x minus t2 is a 360 upon x plus 5 is equals to 1, because in the question says that it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. That's why now we take LCM. 360 multiply with x plus 5 minus 360 multiply with x upon x into bracket x plus 5 is equals to 1. Now we multiply this 360 with the bracket and we get 360x plus 360 into 5, which is 0, 0, 3, 1800 minus 360x is equals to x multiply x, which is x square plus 5x. Now plus minus 360x is cut. To make an equation, we shift 1800 left hand side to right hand side and we get x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equals to 0. Now we would like to find factors of 1800 whose subtraction is 5. 1800, so that by using subtraction we get 5. 6 2 9s are and 3 3s are, 3 2s are 6 minus 3, 3 3s are 9, which is not possible. 1800 we divide it by 2, 2 and the 900, 2 and 4 5 0, 2 2s are 4 and 1 0, we get 40 into 45. 45 into 40 gives 1800 and 45 minus 40 gives 5. That's why x square 45x 40x minus 1800 is equals to 0. You can also use quadratic formula to solve this equation also. Plus and here is the minus, pair of first two terms and pair of last two terms. X is common, x plus 45 minus 40 is common, x plus 45 is equals to 0. Into first bracket x plus 45, in another bracket x minus 40 is equals to 0. On comparing both the bracket with 0, we get two different values of x. One time we get x is equals to minus 45 and another x is equals to 40. As we know, what is our x? X is the speed of train. Speed can't be negative. That's why minus 45 is not possible. The answer is here. Therefore, the speed of train is 40 kilometer per hour is our answer. Let's see the next ninth number. Ninth number is again most important number. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 integer 3/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. First of all, we have to take time for the tank. According to the second sentence, the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Read it again. Larger diameter, the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. Then let us take here. Let us take time taken by smaller water tap to fill the tank is x kilometer per hour. Now according to the second sentence, the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. Therefore, here the time taken by larger water tap to fill the tank is equals to 10 hours less means x minus 10 hours. It is a time taken by larger water tap. Now, according to the question, the first sentence says that two water taps together can fill tank in 9 integer 3/8 hours. Now we find part of tank filled in 1 hour. Part of tank filled by smaller water tap in 1 hour is equals to x hours is taken by smaller water tap to fill complete tank. Complete means 100% full work done by tap is full complete tank, but in 1 hour the tank filled by smaller water tap, which is 1 upon x part. The same way, part of tank filled by larger water tap in 1 hour is equals to 1 upon x minus 10 part. According to the question, the time given together the tank filled. First sentence says that two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 integer 3/8 hours. Therefore, tank filled by two water taps together in 1 hour is equals to 9 integer 3/8 means 75/8 hour. If time is 75/8, then tank will be filled completely, but in 1 hour it is a question mark. 1 ones are 1 upon 75/8 and we get 8/75. 8/75 part of tank filled by both water taps together in 1 hour. Now we make an equation to find out the value of x here. Now 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10 is equals to 8/75. We are taking LCM here. X minus 10 plus x upon x into bracket x minus 10 is equals to 8/75. X plus x, which is 2x minus 10 upon x square minus 10x is equals to 8/75. Now we multiply cross here. 75 2x minus 10 is equals to 8 x square minus 10x. That's why 150x minus 750 is equals to 8x square minus 80x. To make an equation 8x square minus 80x remains as it is, we shift 150x left hand side to right hand side, minus 750 left to right, which is plus 750 is equals to 0. 8x square minus, not minus, minus plus 150 and 80, we have to add them. By adding we get 230x plus 750 is equals to 0. See, the first of all here of common is possible. 230 divided by 4, is it possible? 20 30 and 0 by 4 division does not possible. Let us take 2 as a common, means that 4x square minus 115x plus 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 40 and 5 is equals to 0. Here 375 and 4. 375 into 4, find the factors of this multiplication, gives the addition which is 115, divide by 5, 4 5s are 20, the addition does not possible. 3 and 25s are 60, which is not possible. If you are not able to do directly, use a quadratic formula also to solve this equation. By 5 5s are, make it pair, 5 4s are 20, 25s are 100, 5 3s are 15, which is 115. 4x square, 100x, 15x plus 375 is equals to 0. 375 4s are 1500, and again 115 multiplication is also 1500 minus, and the minus is here, pair of first two and the pair of last two terms. You can also use the quadratic formula to solve these equations. Now in first 4 is common, 4x, remaining into bracket x minus 25 minus 15 is common, x minus 25 is equals to 0. Into the first bracket x minus 25, in another one 4x minus 15 is equals to 0. That's why x minus 25 is equals to 0, or 4x minus 15 is equals to 0. That's why here x is equals to 25 and the second time value of x is 15 upon 4. Right now both answers are possible, but in actual there is only one possibility. Now we have to take x for one time. If x is equals to 25, then time taken by smaller tab is equals to the time taken by smaller tab, which is x, is 25 hours, and same way the time taken by larger tab, the larger tab which is x minus 10, where x is 25 minus 10 and we get 15 hours. The same way, now we take another value of x. If x is equals to 15 upon 4, then time taken by smaller water tap is x is equals to 15 upon 4 hour is correct, is also possible, but the time taken by larger water tap is x minus 10, 15 upon 4 minus 10, which is 15 minus 14 upon 4 minus 25 upon 4. Not possible, time can't be negative. Here our final answer is, the question says find the time which can tank separately filled. Therefore, time taken by smaller tap is 25 hour and larger tap is 15 hour. Hence the two sums are completed. Question number 8 and the question number 9 both are so much important. Try yourself to solve this one. Let's see the next one. Let's see the next number. Up to 9 is completed. Let us see the 10th number. 10th number and 8th number both are equal. Question number 10. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore without taking into consideration the time they stop at intermediate stations. If the average speed of express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of two trains. From the sentence after the bracket, if the average speed of express train is 11 km per hour more than the passenger train, then first of all we have to assume x km per hour is the speed of passenger train. Let us take x km per hour be the speed of passenger train Now one condition is given to find the speed of express train. The average speed of express train is 11 km per hour more than the passenger train. Therefore, the average speed of express train is equals to 11 km per hour more x plus 11 km per hour. Now both the trains travels 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore. Now time taken by passenger train to travel distance of 132 km. T1 is equals to, the speed is equals to distance upon time, then time is equals to distance upon speed, where the distance is 132 upon speed of passenger train is x, which is hour. Same way, time taken by an express train to travel distance of 132 km, T2 is equals to 132 upon x plus 11 hour. Now according to the condition, condition says that express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel a distance of 132 km. X and x plus 11. X plus 11 is greater than x, then answer is smaller. T2 is smaller than T1. Answer of T1 is greater than T2. T1 minus T2 is equals to 1 hour less is given, where T1 is 132 upon x minus T2 is 132 upon x plus 11 is equals to 1. Taking LCM here, (132x) means 132x plus 132 multiply 132 or 11 1452 minus 132x is equals to x square plus x, both are cut, x square plus 11x minus 1452 is equals to 0. Now we find the factors of 1452. The factors of 1452, by subtraction we get 11. One factor is here, 132 into 11 by 2, 233. 2, 2 and 11, 44 and 33. We get 11, 44, 33. 44x minus 33x minus 1452 is equals to 0. That's why x square, x is common, x plus 44 minus 33 is common, x plus 44 is equals to 0. Into the first bracket, x plus 44, another x minus 33 is equals to 0. On comparing both the bracket with 0, we get two values of x. One is x is minus 44 and x is 33. Here the speed can't be negative, that's why it is not possible. X is equals to 33, then here x means a speed of passenger train. Speed of passenger train is 33 km/h, which is x, and speed of express train, the speed of express train is x plus 11. X plus 11 is equals to 33 plus 11, which is 44 km/h. Again, the 10th also important. Let us see next of our exercise 4.3, the 11th number. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter, find the sides of two square. The difference is given, one square is smaller and one is the larger. So let us take the side of smaller square, which is x. Let us take side of smaller square is x. Unit is meter, then it is a meter. Now the difference of the perimeter is given. Difference of perimeters of both the squares is 24. That's why here we can write like this: perimeter of larger square minus perimeter of smaller square. The difference is given is equals to 24. We don't know the perimeter of larger square, that is remains as it is. Perimeter of larger square minus the perimeter of smaller, side is x and perimeter is 4x, is equals to 24. By making perimeter of larger square is equals to 4x plus 24. Now we get 4 is common, remaining into x plus 6, means 4 into side. 4 into side, x plus 6 gives the side of larger square. Therefore, side of larger square is equals to x plus 6 meter. The side of smaller square is x and the side of larger square, which is x plus 6. Now first condition is the area of two squares is 468. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meter square. That's why side of smaller square is x, then its area is x square. Side of larger square is x plus 6, then its area is x plus 6 whole square is equals to 468. That's why x square, by doing expansion, x square plus 12x plus 36, shift 468 right hand side to the left hand side, minus 468 is equals to 0. X square plus x square gives 2x square plus 12x minus 468, subtract from 360 from 468, 2, 3 and 4, 432 is equals to 0. Now again take 2 as a common, x square plus 6x minus 216 is equals to 0. Now the factors of 216 we get as subtraction 6, 2 1s are 108, 254, 227, 3 9s are 6 2s are 12 and 9 2s are 18. X square plus 18x minus 12x minus 216 is equals to 0. The pair of first two and the pair of last two to obtain the value of x. X is common, x plus 18 minus 12 is common, x plus 18 is equals to 0. Into the first bracket, x plus 18, x minus 12 is equals to 0. On comparing both with 0, we get two values of x. One time x is equals to minus 18 and the second time x is equals to 12. Here what happened? X is the side of square. Side can't be negative. That's why it is not possible. Here the answer is obtained. Therefore, side of smaller square is x is equals to 12 meter and side of larger square is equals to x plus 6, where x is 12 plus 6, which is 18 meter. Here required answer, find the sides of two square. Hence 12 meter and 18 meter are the required sides of two squares. Hence here the exercise 4.3 is completed. Whenever we meet in next session, we discussed about our new topic, new example and new exercise. Try yourself practicing very well.